America was born Charles Lutwidge Dodson on January 27th in 1832 in Desbury, Cheshire, England. The son of a clergyman, he was born third to a family of 11 children. He was a brilliant mathematician, a very keen photographer, a theologian, and a creator of games and riddles. He invented nectograph. He became friends with the dean of the Christ Church, the Liddell family. Alice, the youngest daughter of the dean, became the inspirational character for his book, Alice in Wonderland, in 1855.
In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf, right? So it happens during a daytime or a nighttime? Nighttime, because there is a light of the moon. And there is a egg on a where? Leaf. Egg on a leaf. And we'll see what happens, right? Okay. The leaf is there, the egg is there, now the moon is there, right? One Sunday morning, the warm sun came out and what? Pop. Say it like the sound? Pop. 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 We'll see what's going to happen, right? Now is it the night time or the daytime? Daytime. Now it's the daytime because the sun has already risen and it's the morning. Now, out of the egg came out a tiny ant, very hungry. What it is? A caterpillar. Very hungry. See the mouth opening and closing and telling, I'm so hungry. Say, all of you, I'm so hungry. Right? Then, see what happens? He's coming out of the leaf and going like this. He's moving and he's starting to look for some food. What is he looking for? Food. Some food.
Now he's like grown up.
I'm so hungry. He says like that, right? And he's crawling food?
Apple.
It's going to eat the apple.
What?
Yes.
Apple is
Yum, 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 yum. Yum,
Eat
yum,
it.
yum, yum. He ate the apple, right? But he's still hungry. He needs more to eat, right? We'll see what's he going to do. So what comes after Monday? Then it comes Tuesday. Tuesday, what happens? He eats through what? How many pears?
2 pears.
There are 2 pears. So he's going to eat one. I found a pear. Going to eat it. Yum, 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 yum. He eats the one pear. And he goes to the other pear. He eats both 2 pears, right? And what happens after that? After Tuesday?
Wednesday.
After Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, right. So on Wednesday, he found. Oh, what is it? Grapes. How many grapes? How many grapes?
3.
There should be 3 grapes. Let's count and see. Yes. 3 bucks. So it says. Yum, yum, eat one and found the other. Second also, and the other. Third as well, right? But it's still hungry. He needs more to eat, right? So after Wednesday, what comes after Wednesday? Thursday. I'm not going to say, you need to tell me, right? So on Thursday he found
Grapes.
what he found?
Strawberry.
How many strawberries?
3.
We count and see.
1, 2, 3. 3, 4. What?
4. How many?
4.
So it says, I found. See, strawberries. What you found? Strawberries. To eat. Yum. See, yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. That's it. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. But it's still. What kind of stomach he has? He needs to eat more. Right. Then what he find on Friday? What he found? Oranges. Let's see how many oranges. How does it? 2, 3, 4, 5. Gonna eat the 5 oranges at once. Yum, yum, see. Yum, 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 yum. 8 all. Right. Now again he's still hungry. Yes.
That's all greedy.
Yes, so let's see on Saturday he's going to eat 1 piece of
Cake.
chocolate cake. What is it? 1 piece of chocolate cake. Yum, 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 yum. And ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. And 1 slices of cheese. Yum, 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 yum. And 1 sausage. Yum, 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 yum. Sausage also. Then next what? Next again. What comes? Sunday. What? Sunday, the caterpillar ate again. He's still hungry, so he ate a nice again a green leaf, a cupcake, a cherry pie, and this a lollipop, and a piece of watermelon. And what happens, you see? What happened? He had a stomachache. What he had? Stomachache. When we have a stomachache, do we feel happy? How our face will make? Terrible. Terrible, like this. Make like that. Stomachache face. Cleaning the caterpillar's face. Paining a lot. Right. Okay. Now, what happened? So, now he wasn't a hungry caterpillar. He has a stomachache. His stomach is so full. And what he did, he built himself a small house. Right? When he built himself a small house, what color is it? Normally, the house.
Brown.
It's brown. We call it a cocoon. Now he is covered with a cocoon, right? And he slept inside the cocoon nicely. And after that, little by little, he pushed the cocoon to a side. And what it became? It became a beautiful butterfly. From the side, right? This is how we need to hold it.
If you
Give a mouse a cookie, he will probably ask for a glass of milk. When you give him a glass of milk, he will ask for a straw. Pronounce it straw. When he is finished, he will ask for a napkin. Then he will want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache.
If you give the mouse a cookie, he will probably ask for a glass of milk. When you give him a glass of milk, he will ask for a straw.
Very good.
When he is finished, he will ask
in a mirror. To make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache, when he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim.
Very good. Right. Give a clap to them. Very well. So, he will ask for a pair of nail scissors. When he finished giving himself a trim, he will need a broom to sweep it up. He will start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. Very good. Give a clap to Joel.
I will be decorated with my mom.
This butterfly is made by the waste things. These are glitter paper that I found in a garbage bin. These papers were left outside. These strings sort of things were found in some of my mother's bag. These papers were in a waste cupboard in something.
My mother.
What did you use?
I use highlighter to color the background and I use pen.
Well,
And this butterfly with my mother. Butterflies are very beautiful. I take glitters and papers for the butterflies. They are very beautiful. I decorated my mother. I use pens, glitters, and color pencils. I like butterflies very much.
well.